Welcome, my name is Rajan, and you are watching the Drywall Guy from the 505. This segment is Series 8, Drywall and Plaster Resurfacing Part 2. Let's get started.
So before you get started, get some kind of degreaser solvent, wash down the walls prior to sanding. After your walls have dried from being wiped down by the solvent, now you're ready to start sanding your walls lightly. At this point we're ready to sand. What I recommend is being able to sand the wall with 80 to 100 grit sandpaper. That helps get off any really heavy, high edges of your texture, and also helps cut down the gloss of your paint, so your mud would bond a lot better.
If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe. And ring the notification bell. Please leave a comment below. It helps the algorithm and lets us know what other video topics you would like to see. Thank you.